I'm back out here, and there is 3 down, which means 72 to go. There's one that was caught up, and there's the other one that was caught up, and then there's the first one I dropped. So now I just have 72. Well, I'm back out here today, and hopefully I could drop a couple more trees safely today. I got to put my chaps on, but what you don't know and you don't see is one of my parents is always out here. It was a rule that when anybody drops a tree, there has to be another person with you. So even though you can't see them, they're here. And last time, my dad was out here, and he turns 80 next month. And with his cancer that he had, he's very limited in what he can do. And so when I got the first tree caught, he goes, I could shoot it down with the shotgun. So then I wasn't too worried about it. And then when the second tree got caught, I'm like, this can involve my dad. And so of course when I was gone, my dad came out here with the shotgun and he took them both down. So I got to involve him a little bit, which he's happy about to tell me. And also I started clearing this land, not just because of COVID and I wasn't supposed to be around anybody, but I want to make memories with my parents and my family on this land before they pass. So that's another memory I got, is my dad shooting some trees down for me. So even though you can't see somebody here, my mom, if it's not too frozen, she'll be planting a garden, pulling weeds, or my dad will be on the sidelines spectating to make sure I don't hurt myself. Or if I do, he'll make sure that my mom gets an ambulance here. So I'm going to try and cut down a couple more. Try and do this guy and hope it falls that way. Still stuck in there where I put the hatch. Now just 71 to go. That one was pretty good. I got most of that tree out of the way. What was hanging over the edge is still hanging over the edge. I've got 4 down, so I'm at 71. So I'm gonna try this guy. I don't know which way he's gonna fall. He's kind of leaning that way and I want him to fall that way, so we shall see if I can get her done. all this for my chainsaw if I can help it. I think this one's gonna get caught up. Let's hope it doesn't. In case I need it, I'm ready. One more and I'm down to 69. I'll have a new number in the front. I did not think it would turn out that good, to be honest. And I gotta clean this guy up. I might have time for one more. We shall see. It's cleaned up, so it's just the stuff over the edge that I have to take care of. I do want to drop another tree today, but the sun is gonna set soon. And so I'll have a game plan next time I come. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean up most of this. So when I do come back, I'll be ready to start dropping some more. But yeah, this isn't gonna go away and I gotta take care of it. So I do work. Brought my chainsaws down, but once I'm down here, it looks a lot more gnarly. So yeah, I definitely have to put some work in. So this will be somewhat clear when I get back. So we're at 70 trees left, 5 down, 70 to go. If you want to watch and see if I can do 75 trees this year, please click like, subscribe. I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, thanks again.